What's going on, family? Guess what today is? Today, we are putting up my light in the living room. Look at Bae up there, afraid of heights and everything. Got these biker glasses on, about to put this light up for me. So, they are. So, correction, they are shaded safety glasses. Okay. So anyway, I'm so excited. I told you I was gonna bring you, right? So I'm excited. And guess what else we're doing today? That. Finally tackling the black square. I'm going to paint the wall today too. So I'm so excited about that and get all of this junk. I still haven't gotten my couch, so I'm currently using a blow-up mattress as a couch. If you know, you know. But this is the light, and it's gonna look so much better once it's up. I got the Edison bulbs for it, so we're gonna see how that works out. And hopefully, you know, I think, well, it's definitely gonna be long enough because it came with 2 more extensions, actually 4 extensions. So I'm gonna see how long I want it right now, and yeah, let's check that out. Okay, so we decided to go with the 2 extensions because even though the ceilings are pretty high, it would come like right there, which, excuse my ashy knuckles, but like right there, that would be too low. So right now I think it's gonna be about right here. And just to give you a visual, so yeah. Oh my gosh. So I should have recorded him coming up this ladder because he's being a goof. Let's see if we can scare him.
See, I like the way his ceiling was because his sat right there, but
right, but this is like slanted, so.
no, I'm saying the circle was like small enough to where it sat on the surface of the ceiling.
Gotcha.
So I really don't know where this needs to stop on this one.
Give him the glory, Shabak. Yo, that's me. I just be randomly singing stuff.
See, this is...
Okay, we'll come back when we get the light up, because this is the boring part. In the meantime, Fergie, if you guys were on my Instagram story, then you know her name is Fergie. She's doing very well. I need to repot her so that, you know, these new leaves that she's growing can go ahead and flourish. Give her some different soil, you know. But she's doing pretty good. I think she likes this spot. So yay, exciting. Okay, so I forgot to tell you where I got this light. So I got this Sputnik chandelier off of Amazon. So it came in a box like this, and it has 10 lights on it, and I will link it down below so you guys can check that out. And then I also just ordered the lights to go with it because I ordered the light itself a long time ago, but the light bulbs came in today, so I'm putting it up today. Okay, and of course, like, I have Prime, so it came in 2 days. I've just been lazy about ordering this ladder because I don't have this industrial ladder. So I have to rent that, put it in my car because it is small enough. So I got it in my car. And then we just got the light up. So I'm about to put these lights in. Let me let you guys see what that's looking like really quick. So it's up. Oh my gosh, and it's sturdy. So happy. We're gonna put these light bulbs in really quick and then really get the full effect because I just cannot. Thanks to Bae We about to have some light up in here, okay? So let me show y'all in a second. Let there be light. I can sing better than that, but you know, that was me being extra because I'm so excited. It looks so good. Yes, I'm taking the voltage reader back. Oh my gosh, that took what, 2 hours? The whole everything, going to go get everything.
Oh, going to get it, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So this was a nice little project. Moving on to the next. So I think I'm gonna go with this tape. We're at Home Depot, by the way. Normally I get frog tape, but since I have like knockdown texture on the walls, I'm gonna do this Scotch rough surface tape. And I also got some paper to go over the what do you call it at the bottom?
Baseboard.
Yeah. And then we picked up a tarp so we don't get paint over the carpet. Roller extensions, and of course 2 rollers for both of us. Okay, so we are finally about to start painting this wall, and as you can see, it's already pretty dark outside. So, what time is it? It's already 9:12. Oh my god, this is about to be a whole little ordeal, but I'll let you guys know how it's gonna go. I will be recording, and my dog, I had to put him up because I don't want him to be stepping in the paint. But so I'll be recording, and you guys can see the whole process. So stay tuned. Would cut off on like the hardest part, so I got up in this little cubby part and painted all up in there. Like, what? But the wall is done. I'm excited. I definitely think it's gonna make the room look a little bit bigger. Let me show you this top part, because if you get really close you can see like the stuff I messed up. But let's get up here. So first of all, I did get paint on the carpet, but I have some acetone that I'm gonna use to try to get it off. So I did get some off already, so I'm kind of less anxious about that now. And then of course I didn't do this top part. I'm just gonna repaint that white because it was so dusty before. They probably would not even know that it was, you know, painted accidentally. But y'all, look how little of space that is for me to sit up in. You know what? I'm gonna just show you. Hold on. So this is how I was freaking painting up here, like that. Like, this is OD. Mind you, we went to the gym earlier. My hands. So yeah, like, this is extra arm work because we did this earlier. We did arm work earlier. But anyway, my veins are popping and everything. So yeah, finally got it painted. I am excited, and my light is up. Oh, my light is up, girl. Let me show you right quick. Girl, my light is up. I'm so happy. Okay, so we're about to eat because it's late. What time is it now? It is 11:06, and we are finally done. And you know, it was already kind of annoying that we did this at the last minute, but what made it even more annoying is what you can hear in the background. My dog barked the entire time. And I didn't want him walking around and like step in the paint and make it even worse and have paw prints all over the floor. So yeah, he was annoying. I mean, I love him, but he was annoying, and he's still going because I'm outside now until we get all this stuff cleaned up. So yeah, this wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I can't wait to show you the rest of my decorating process. All right, bye.